Imagine possessing a mind so brilliant you can grasp complex concepts in mere moments. But what if that same brilliance is used to create a force of unimaginable destruction? Today, we are exploring the life of J. Robert Oppenheimer, the man who both ignited a new era and wrestled with its catastrophic consequences. As Julius Robert Oppenheimer witnessed the successful detonation of the world's first nuclear weapon, he was haunted by its implications. His words, "I remembered the line from the Hindu scripture, the Bhagavad Gita, 'Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.'" He was so absorbed in his studies that he often ignored the real world. However, the rise of fascism in Europe in the 1930s caught his attention. Oppenheimer agreed with Einstein that German scientists could develop a nuclear weapon and believed Hitler would use it. America watched fearfully as the Nazis invaded Poland in 1939. In 1942, Oppenheimer was selected to direct the Manhattan Project, a top-secret U.S. Army project to develop the atomic bomb. He brought together the best minds in physics, eventually managing more than 3,000 people. Washington poured massive amounts of money into the project, with the initial $6,000 budget ballooning to $2 billion by 1945. Before leading the Manhattan Project, Oppenheimer taught physics at both Caltech and the University of California, Berkeley, where he built the physics program into a hub for physics research in America. He had already been working on nuclear fission, the powerful release of energy caused by splitting an atom. Uranium-235, a highly unstable and fissionable isotope, was a key element in this process. When struck by a neutron, it becomes U-236, which is so unstable that it splits into krypton and barium, releasing 3 more neutrons and causing a chain reaction, a huge explosion similar to a bowling ball striking pins that hit other pins. Research also showed that plutonium-239 would be highly fissionable. However, as a non-naturally occurring element, it had to be manufactured. Reactors in southeastern Washington state were built to produce plutonium. On July 16, 1945, scientists detonated a plutonium bomb over Alamogordo, New Mexico. The world would never be the same. A few people laughed, a few cried, but most were silent. Never before had humanity possessed a weapon that threatened global civilization. The successful test meant the atomic bomb was ready for military use. The following month, the U.S. dropped 2 atomic bombs on Japan. On August 6, 1945, the most powerful weapon in the world devastated Hiroshima, killing 140,000 people. Thousands more died in pain from radiation poisoning in the following months and years.